So how do you get kids to eat their green vegetables? By adding some bacon, of course. Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm making a simple green bean and bacon side dish that goes great with all kinds of foods, including barbecue and holiday meals. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, please give us a like, a share, and maybe consider subscribing. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my green beans with bacon and onions, the ingredients I'll be using are 2 pounds of trimmed green beans, which is about 8 cups, 4 strips of bacon, 3/4 cup of chopped white onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black or white pepper. There's really not much to this recipe. It's so simple. I just get my veggies and seasonings ready, then my bacon, and I cook them. First, I give my beans a good rinse to make sure they're clean and allow them to drain. Next, I trim off both ends of the beans while keeping an eye out for any that just don't look right. Now, today I'm leaving these whole, but sometimes I cut them smaller, especially if I have young ones at the table. Next, I dice my onions small, no larger than about a 1/4 inch, and then dice the bacon to about the same size. And here's a tip. Frozen bacon is far easier to dice because it doesn't stretch or tear or slip and slide around the cutting board. I'm using a towel today to hold it because it's really cold. I add my beans to a large saucepan, cover with water, and bring to a full boil. Then I lower the heat to medium-high, set a timer for 10 minutes, and cook until the beans are tender with a little bit of crunch. Then I dump them back into my colander to drain. Believe it or not, we're almost done. Next, I just cook my bacon and onion and then put it all together. I add my bacon to a large pan and cook it over medium-high heat just until it begins to crisp. It should look about like this. Then I add my onions and cook them together until the onions are tender and translucent. This won't take long. I add my salt and pepper and stir in my beans until they're well coated and then allow them to heat through. And that is all there is to it. Green beans with bacon and onions is a simple way to make veggies a little more special, and it's delicious. It may even bring your veggie haters to the dinner table where family is built, because if you feed them these, they will come. Oh yeah, that's good.
All to the fat.